Why would you want to consider sponsoring yourself to the next Excel training? Hi, my name is Ty. I help working professionals to speed up their data analysis performance from 5 days to 5 minutes. One of the most common challenges for working professionals in terms of upgrading their skill is the training approval, which takes a long time. These are the 3 reasons why you should consider use your own pocket money to sponsor yourself to the next Excel training. Reason number 1, better future. People respect those are committed. When you use your own pocket money, it shows you are committed. Your boss, your superior, and your organization will see you as a very committed person. When the time comes, they will offer you a better role or better project for you to shine so that you have a better future. Reason number 2, work-life balance. Excel is widely used across various roles. Without Excel training, fresh graduates or experienced working professionals are likely to stretch their working hours to complete the work they have in Excel. After attending the Excel training, you are able to complete the same work faster and easier so that you are going to have more time for yourself and for your loved one. Reason number 3, future-proof your career. Even though you are not using Excel extensively now, sooner or later you are going to have more and more data analysis tasks. According to one worldwide research, data analysis skill is a top 10 highly demanded skill. With that in mind, you want to stay ahead from your peers by learning your Excel skill now. In summary, these are the 3 reasons why you want to consider sponsoring yourself to the next Excel training. Reason number 1, better future. Reason number 2, work-life balance. And reason number 3, future-proof your career. And hope this helps. Till then, signing off. Bye!